How to delete business portfolio in Meta Business Suite. So first of all, you have to select your uh, business portfolio. Okay, then after that you have to go here and you have to just click in the business manager. Then just you have to click in the go to business manager setting. Now you can see here I'm inside in Meta Business setting. Then after that just you have to click in the business info. Okay, then after that, so now we can see here you will get few details related with your business information. Then just you have to click in the permanently delete business. Now you can see here it is telling me that schedule business for deletion. So it is telling me that once you have deleted your business manager, this action can be reversed to help us improve. Please tell us why you want to delete. So I'm just choosing it isn't what I expected. I want to manage my pages and at account from my personal account. Okay, so I'm just choosing this one. Then I'm just clicking the next. Again, I am clicking in the next. So now you can see it is telling me that schedule business for deletion and then click in the next. Then you have to give your password here. Okay. Okay, so now you can see it is telling me the business has been scheduled for deletion. So in this way, you can delete business portfolio in Meta Business Suite, which is available in Facebook. Thank you so much.